Heyo! Welcome in, or welcome back, as we are about to hop into episode 10 of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Alright. Little. Okay. Okay, so we're doing the requests on this episode. Metal Lizard and the Beefy Beast, the Bulls, wolf, or something. That's... Yeah, he's not letting you get off. Episode 10. My two familiars are too overpowered. Is it glowing? What do you mean it looks pretty normal? That looks like a whole armadillo. Okay. Oh, that's why it's glowing. What? Okay, so what are you gonna do? Oh. How about claws? Oh, just cook them from the inside. Okay, cool, cool, cool. You didn't even warn. Okay, because it can only disperse so much at one time. All right. Oh, I mean, I hope that last meal was really good, though. Oh, maybe if he brings some of that back, that's also super valuable. Oh, what if you eat some and then you evolve? What if you're able to spit out armor from Makuta? Yeah, I was like, how does he... Oh! Why are you so defensive? I'm sorry. Hornball. There you go. Yo, Fenrir was kind of jealous, no? Rhinoceroses. Oh, you can just see them from right here. Okay. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna let you do that. Oh, okay. Well, you're always bringing them into dangerous situations, but then you're like, all right. Oh, wow. Sui's about to go moo moo metals over there. They look like horses. From both sides? Holy, what an attack. And they're gone. That's a lot of meat. Brop. Pew pew. That's so cute. It was a really large herd. Holy moly. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I don't understand how people just get tired of eating a specific thing. Like, if you're hungry enough, you'll eat it, right? Orc katsu sandwiches. I'm glad he got used to the orc. Ah, I'm not a fan of mustard. Mm-hmm. Is that Pepsi? Bubbly like you. You're gonna pour it in the bowl. Like Sui, some kind of animal. Instead of a heart, it's a star. It says Pepsi on it. It's Pepsi. The name drop is crazy. Oh my gosh. I guess it's much better than the poison fish that Fenrir was into eating some episodes ago. He's never burped before. Oh my gosh, this really got him bad. I want to hear Sui burp. Yeah, they're gonna have to pay you even more. You really gotta be specialized. He's like, I don't have the money. We are going into debt. Bro. 400 years. Excuse me? Oh my gosh. And to see one to see one in their lifetime is insane. Oh. See, I was saying he should have brought some back, but Fenrir was jealous. To the king. Mmm. That's... For sure. I wish I could have that problem. Because then I'd be sharing all of that with mi familia. Generational wealth for my babies. Yeah, y'all are being blood dry. Huh? Aww. Yep. Sui eases your mind quite easily. Oh. Oh, that is huge. Thick. Is that enough oil? What's umami? It cooked that fast. I don't know how I like my stuff. I just like I want to make sure that it's not pink inside at all. But I also want it to be juicy. And I want it to be a little crisp on the outside. A little crunch, but it's still juicy. Oh, what would you call that? I don't know. Itadakimasu. Oh, it is red in there. You are an animal, Makura. I definitely don't like it like that. Yeah, but I know you definitely prefer some Wagyu over anything else. Oh. That's like how I pour barbecue sauce. Well, not pour. I like to have everything nice and separated. But that's like, I dip so much of that in a ton of barbecue sauce. Grated daikon. What is daikon flavor? Daikon? I wonder how you could relate that to something I've actually tasted before. Mm. Oh, exactly. And you have companions, people to talk to, especially since Sui has, evolved to be able to talk. Mm. No way you forgot again. She's like, since you're finally getting it ready. Are the other goddesses here? Okay. Daifuku. Like the outfit Psylocke just got in the anniversary from her arrivals. Oh, hajimemashite. First time meeting of other goddesses. Hello, Red. Reminds me of my Red Beauty from the other food anime. You just have to watch the other anime to find out. But my queen. You get blessings from all of them. I'm sorry. I didn't get subtitles for what she just said. Oh. That would make sense. Earth and fire. Oh, hello. Kiss Charlotte? Agni. I think you're a bit skinny, Agni. But you're a goddess, so please don't put your fire on me. Your fiery wrath. The god of creation. Mmm. I would love some of your blessings. Huh. Yeah, you're not getting out of this. You're very special. Yeah, the goddesses have no care for that. Minor. Minor blessing. And you're the water one, of course, right? Rusalka. But you still want sweets too, don't you? That is true. But I mean, well, oh, wow, you have such luscious tears because, water. What'd you say? Exactly. Oh. Oh. Give the blessing to Sui. That's what I said. It makes sense. It's a slime. Oh. Ah, so you don't really give any? So you can give a only bless one person? Oh my gosh. Well, here goes their one for the decade. Wow. What was your name again? Well, didn't you just get your blessings? I think he literally just sent them as they got there. Yeah, you guys divvy them up. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm not. Wow. Thank goodness he has so many gold coins now. The Goddess Association. Anybody with appraisal magic is gonna blow their mind. Hmm. Are you sure you guys gave him? And you were trying to do that with wind magic. Holy. I don't know if it was that. They did say he had no affinity for the other stuff. I'm sure they heard him. I mean, Sui is just amazing. Oh my gosh. Just from thinking about it. Okay. Don't take out this whole forest now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fenrir is quite proud. I'm sorry, let's... This... Thank you, Sui. I mean, Sui could probably split and stuff like that, but... Would Sui bleed? Oh my gosh. I mean, I don't want to find out about Sui bleeding or anything like that, but... Bro is earthbending. I think you finally ran out. Huh. Okay. That's really cool. Oh, did you bring snakes? You can give the skin to the guy. Mmm. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably ready to pass out. Yeah. I mean, what more can I say besides they were overpowered. Too overpowered for the tasks at hand, as the episode was titled. So it was quick work for the adventure. Although it was interesting to see Fenrir be so attached, to Makuta and be like, hey, you don't need anything besides my shield. What are you doing? You don't need this mithril. That's insulting to me. That's so insulting. So him and Makuta's bond is quite tight knit right now. So far, not just right now. I mean, like it's come a long way from the beginning, and so here we are, and I find that so cute. That's what I meant. I didn't mean like, oh, like it's gonna break in the future. That's not what I meant. Uh, and then he got more blessings from the other goddesses just because they wanted sweets and stuff. So, and then they were like kind of fighting over him, and they just had like they had such huge assets to give him, and I'm just like, I'm glad that he got even like a tiny bit of the assets. Those blessings were really nice, right? So I think they have. I mean, I can see why they're giving out blessings all the time because they just have. They seem like they have more than enough blessings to go around. Honestly, Baby Sui got the goddess of water with like just a full on blessing because she doesn't do that very often. So no minor blessings there. So Sui's just full on just slashing down like 1,000-year-old trees and stuff. Oh my gosh. So yeah, once more, Sui has become a demon slime. So I mean, Makuta has some really trustworthy people in town. He's able to make a whole house for them. Like this episode is going to be. The adventure was just too easy. Mm, and I got his sister. Don't strike me down, but like kind of annoying. Ah, he's making do with everything. It's gonna be a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I messed up. I messed everything up here. Let me think on it. Let me think on it. 9 out of 10 goddess blessing boxes. Mm, mm, mm. The whole box that he gave them to just divvy up and fight over, then that's what we're doing. Anyway, let me know what your rating would be. And are you looking for more like high stakes action from this anime? I understand it is a food anime. It's just I want to see Fenrir like really have like a tough time with someone. I think that would be really cool. And then it would be understandable for being super, super gluttonous one day. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. It really helps me in my invigoration, like just wanting to do more of this. At the moment, if you can't tell by just looking at my channel, I am I'm putting out max amounts of reactions and such, and I am literally leaving zero time for anything else when it comes to my content. So as I'm filming this, I'm literally trying to figure out a way to balance. I really just wanted to make it through like 1 month of consistency, and I did that. And so during the second month stretch, I'm really trying to get more things going for my main channel and um, figuring out some other stuff for this channel. So yeah, but that's just the YouTube stuff. because then I film all this with little bits and pieces that YouTube doesn't see for my website that I'm creating, which I've had no time to be learning the code for the past month. So I'm gonna get back into learning the coding of everything, and I'm excited for life again. Like this. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this to y'all. Please, please like, please share, please subscribe, and I will be seeing you all in whatever you choose to watch from me next, whether it be on this channel, or my main channel, or on my website, whenever that should be coming out. Alright. Love, Jasmines, and bunnies.